Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lead a Better Life. I am Mohit Maheshwari, an astrologer, and today we are discussing 12 moon signs, impact of 12 moon signs for next 2 months, that is June and July. Uh, so starting off with moon sign Aries, but before starting, if you are able to connect all of those descriptions what I discuss with your life, then do subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video. Now basis my research for 12 moon signs, I have made some notes for myself because it will be quite a long video, so please don't be annoyed if I continue reading from my laptop. So please bear with me. And starting off with moon sign Aries. So people with moon sign Aries who are facing friction or issues at office and workplace need to be patient, as this friction will come to an end soon by the end of June. So you need to be patient about that. Such people need to be careful about money or financial loss between 2nd June to 17 June. I am repeating, such people need to be careful about money and financial loss between 2nd June to 17 June. If you happen to invest in stock market, then you need to be careful. Now those people who are recently blessed with a baby but are worried about baby's health, such conditions will continue by in June, and baby's health will improvise from July. But looking at the planetary conditions when the baby was born, so stomach, you need to be very careful about the stomach issues of the baby. Moving on, for moon sign Taurus, people with moon sign Taurus who are facing certain dilemma and have recently lost some faith in God during last 2 months, or if they have some heated discussion with their mother recently, need to control their anger at workplace, especially during 2nd June to 17th of June, because anger won't give any type of profit. It will only bring in some disturbances, and all of your tasks will remain stuck till July and will move on from July onwards. So all of your tasks which are pending will be stuck till starting of July, and from July onwards they will move forward. People with moon sign Taurus who have donated some stuff or have done some philanthropic activity during last 1 or 2 months, they will get some benefit at their workplace during 2nd June to 17th June. Your position at workplace will be strengthened, but confusion about money will continue to happen. And be ready for some differences with your elder brother during the month of July. Moving on, for moon sign Gemini. People with moon sign Gemini who are facing confusion in every sphere of life and are also facing health issues, for example fluctuation in blood pressure, they will also experience a delay in the pending task from 2nd June to 17th of June, and will also face friction at their workplace in July end. People with moon sign Gemini who recently got married and are also looking forward to buy property or house should move ahead with their search for property. They will surely find something good. Moving on to moon sign Cancer. People with moon sign Cancer who are facing confusion in relation to relocation, who are not able to decide whether to relocate or not, such confusion will continue, but they need to take care of their back. They will face some back issues, some lower back issues, and need to take care so as not to slip. People with moon sign Cancer whose blood pressure and diabetes is fluctuating from last 2 months but has normalized now, was fluctuating in last 2 months but is normalized now, will again see that fluctuation in July, and if they are also searching for property or house, then the time has come to buy one. Moving on, for moon sign Leo. People with moon sign Leo who are facing major health issues from last 2 months. Now when I say major health issues, I am referring to kidney issues, urine infection, liver issues. They need to be very careful, because the period from 2nd June to 17th June is life threatening, and you need to be highly careful about this period. People who are Leo people who are also living away from their respective family who were living away from their family till January 2020, They will find new intensity and closeness in their married life from 2nd June to 17th June. Their position at work will also be strengthened, but confusion related to place of residence will continue to happen. Moving on, for moon sign Virgo, people with moon sign Virgo who have recently done some property transaction or have purchased some vehicle, they will have some differences with their spouse, and the confusion at workplace will increase. Now this confusion at workplace will also lead to increase in some work. People with moon sign Virgo who recently had some differences with their mother, they need to be very careful while driving, right, or riding, as accident is on their way. So please don't take any impulsive decision. Moving on to moon sign Libra. People with moon sign Libra whose siblings, younger brother or younger sister, have recently faced some health issues, such people need to be very careful about money or financial matters, as financial loss is on their way from 2nd June to 17th of June. If they happen to invest in stock market, then they will incur some losses. So be careful. Also, they will face huge mental disturbance while taking any decision. So if you take any decision which was long pending, then to take that decision you will face huge disturbances. There will be lots of confusion and all. Librarians whose communication has become strong during last some time, they will be benefited from 2nd June to 17th June. So when I say communication has become strong, it means that you are witnessing that whatever you say, whatever you communicate is being people take it very easily and they agree to your point. Then they will be benefited from 2nd June to 17th June. Moving on to moon sign Scorpio. People with moon sign Scorpio who have earned good money during last 2-3 months, if they have earned some fortune in last 2-3 months, they can purchase a new vehicle from 2nd June to 17th of June, or if they have already booked one, then they will surely get a delivery of that vehicle. Scorpions whose communication has improved a lot from last 2-3 months and who are feeling that people have started understanding what they want to convey, should keep on practicing effective communication, as good communication will lead to long-term benefits. Moon sign Sagittarius. Sagittarians who are away from family will remain away from family for quite some time. There is no respite from that. And if they are also facing some monetary losses, then those losses will stop from July. Sagittarians whose everything was just going fine, but all of a sudden they are facing some disturbances and have faced some monetary loss too, then all those situations will normalize from July, but be ready for some differences with your partner. Moving on to moon sign Capricorn. People with moon sign Capricorn who have recently returned to their families, but there are multiple confusions. These confusions will come down from July, but be ready for struggle at workplace. Capricornians whose monetary loss is not stopping from last 2 months, who are continuously facing monetary loss, but that monetary loss has stopped now. So from last 2 months they were facing some monetary loss, but that has stopped now. They need to hold their money tight because losses are again on their way from 2nd June to 17th of June. And also be very very cautious so as not to hit anything, because there are some accidental yokes which are coming on the way. So be very careful. Moving on to moon sign Aquarius. Aquarians need to control their anger, especially during 2nd June to 17th of June. There will be many such instances where you can lose your temper. Aquarians who have recently faced some monetary loss need to be careful about their health and be cautious for any headache or lung issues, because there are some planetary movements happening which can lead to headaches or lung issues. So if you are facing any such issue, if there is any such symptom, then don't delay anything, do visit a doctor. Last, moon sign Pisces. People with moon sign Pisces who have recently changed their job and are studying some course, they will find huge disconnect from their studies and won't be able to concentrate on their studies during June. People with moon sign Pisces who have recently lost their job or who are desperate to change their jobs, So for those people, job change is not recommended, because new job will only bring in more tension as well as more struggle in their life. So my recommendation is that better to continue what you are doing, and for at least for some time, and reconsider after some time. That's it for all of the zodiacs. If you are able to connect to all of those instances what I have described, do like this video, share and subscribe this video. Dhanyavad.